Second set of activities while walking with nature, with trees and forests. Appreciate the forest as a whole, embracing the grandeur. Shift your gaze from individual trees to the forest as a whole. Witness the grandeur of the collective, where each tree contributes to the ecosystem. Appreciate the play of light and shadow, the textures of diverse foliage, and the mosaic of colors that paint the forest canvas, like that landscape painting. Unveil the interconnected beauty that thrives together and beyond. Yeah, just appreciate what's there. Let it unfold in you. Yeah.